Good morning, student. Today I am going to teach new chapter. Name of chapter is Death of a Partner. This is my lecture number 39. In case of death of a partner, partner is entitled to the following items: amount of capital to the credited deceased partner. Next is share in accumulated profit and losses. Third point is revaluation of assets and liabilities. We can say reassessment of liabilities. Fourth point is share of goodwill. Fifth point is new. In case of death of a partner, the executors of deceased partner are also entitled to share of profit earned or loss share from beginning of year till the date of death. Sixth point is interest on capital till death, drawing and interest thereon till death, salary commission if any till death. So all the adjustments are incorporated in the capital account of deceased partner, and thereafter it is transferred to account open in the name of his executors or legal representative. The entry will be journal entry, deceased partner capital account DR to deceased partner executor account, executors account. On the payment of deceased partner, on payment in full or part, journal entry will be deceased partner partners executors account DR to bank account. Now settlement of amount due to deceased partner. On the death of a partner, the amount due to deceased partner is computed as per provisions of partnership deed. The entire amount due to him is transferred from his capital account to his executor's account of deceased partner or to legal representative account of the deceased partner. All the above adjustments are incorporated in the capital account of deceased partner, and thereafter it is transferred to account opened in the name of his executors or legal representative. So journal entry will be deceased partner capital account, DR to deceased partner executors account. Suppose ABC are partners and A dies. Let A dies. In this case, journal entry will be A's capital account DR to A's executor's account. The amount due to executor is either paid in cash or is transferred to his executor account. And is shown on the liability side of balance sheet. It is then paid in various installments along with interest as per term of agreement. So, when amount paid to A, journal entry will be A's executors account DR to cash account or bank account. Now, calculation of new profit sharing ratio of continuing partner will be same as we have calculated in retirement chapter and or in previous video. And second point is, suppose this is first point, calculation of new profit sharing ratio, and second point, goodwill. Share of goodwill also will be calculated as same as we have calculated in case of retirement of a partner. There are only difference between retirement and death. Retirement of a partner is certain, take place certain time, but death of a partner is not a certain time, it is sudden. So This is the difference, and we have to prepare only partner capital account of deceased partner in case of death of a partner. In case of retirement, we were prepare all the partners capital account, revaluation account and balance sheet. But in case of death of a partner, generally we will prepare only deceased partner capital account. Suppose A dies, then we will prepare age capital account. Suppose this is age capital account. Age capital account, DR side and CR side. Then first I will transfer age capital as by balance BD in credit side. Then share in accumulated profit and loss or general reserve. Share of goodwill. Suppose ABC are partner in a firm, then B and C may be gaining partners, so B's capital account, C's capital account. In case of death, this will be for goodwill given by continuing partner to deceased partner. Then I have pointed revaluation. If revaluation of asset calculate, it is also transfer profit or loss as well in debit or credit side. Share of profit, earn, interest on capital, interest on drawing salary, etc. So I will transfer PL suspense account. PL suspense account in case of profit till the date of death. Fifth point, share of profit, earn or loss, share from beginning of year till the date of death. We have to calculate. There are two methods for calculation. I will explain in next. Next, interest on capital till death. Interest on capital. If salary and commission is given to partners, then I will also transfer salary and commission. If drawing made by partner, deceased partner during the year, it will also transfer into debit side. And interest on drawing charge, it is also transferred into debit side. If any loan is taken by A, then loan account also transfer in debit side. So basically these points will come in question, and we will in last balance it, and balance will transfer into is executor's account. Executor's account. So we can say this is the format of decreased partner capital account. And now I am going to solve a practical problem based on the partner capital account. So let us see. Suppose Pranav, Karan and Rahim were partner in a firm sharing profit and losses in the ratio of 2:1. On 31st March 2019, their balance sheet was as follows. Now, creditor, general reserve, capital of partners are given in liability side, and fixed asset, stock, debtors and bank are also given in asset side. Question says Karan died on 12 June 2019. According to the partnership deed, the legal representative of the deceased partner were entitled to the following: balance in his capital account, interest on capital at the rate of 12% per annum, share of goodwill, goodwill of the firm on Karan's death was valued at 60,000. Share in the profit of the firm till the date of his death. Calculated on the basis of last year's profit. The profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 5 lakh. Prepare Karan's capital account to be presented to his representative. Now, first we will transfer. This is Karan capital account. Karan's capital account. First, I will transfer their capital by balance BD. Is given 2 lakh. Now, general reserve balance 1,50,000 is also given. So, I will calculate general reserve equal to first general reserve equal to 1,50,000. Share of general reserve equal to 1,50,000 into share of profit will be 2/5. So it will be 60,000, and it will also transfer into credit side of decreased partner capital account. General reserve 60,000. Now, no item is given in asset side or liability side. Transfer, so transfer in capital account. Now, adjustment says Karan died on 12 June 2019. Now, second point is interest on capital 12%. Interest on capital, so I have to also calculate interest on capital. Interest on capital equal to interest on capital will be on 2 lakh into partner died on 12 June 2019. So from 1st April to 12 June, time will be 73 days. From 1st April to 12 June, time will be 73 days. So, interest on capital will calculate on the basis of days. It will be 73 by 365 into 12 by 100. And interest on capital will be 4,800. So I will transfer 4,800 as interest on capital. Now third point says goodwill, share of goodwill. Goodwill of the firm on Karan's death was valued at 60,000. Now I have to calculate share of Karan's goodwill. So 60,000 into 2 by 5 equal to, it will be 24,000, and 24,000 will shared by 2 remaining partner, Pranav and Rahim. So Pranav capital account and Karan's capital, Rahim's capital account. It will shared by gaining ratio, and gaining ratio will be 2:1. So it will be 16,000 and 8,000. Now fourth point is share in profit of the firm till the date of his death, calculated on the basis of last year's profit. The profit of the firm for the year ended 31st March 2019 was 5 lakh. So fourth point, I have to calculate share of Karan's profit. It will be 5 lakh into 73 by 365 into 2 by 5, because profit is given to Karan on the basis of time. Now profit share will be 40,000. So I will transfer 40,000 as PL suspense account. 40,000. Now I will calculate balance. So total will be 3,28,800. 3,28,800, and it will transfer into current executors account. 3,28,800. So this is the solution of decreased partner in case of death of a partner, and this is your question. So you can solve it. Thank you very much.